Hi guys, this is Rebecca, the Purple Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some green jewelry in celebration of St. Patrick's Day. We're going to start with the 6 pieces you see here, which you may have seen on the other 3 of my videos. Since I am new to YouTube, I am going to ask you to please subscribe and like the channel and share the channel if you wouldn't mind. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. We'll start with the necklace. This is a very beautiful marked Monet green, and I think this is abalone mother of pearl, and it's wrapped in a little gold setting here, marked Monet on the back. And then it's just got this really nice cord woven into a gold chain. Lobster claw clasp extender. It's super nice. It's just this really nice big teardrop with all those inlaid mother of pearl. I love it. Next up, big beautiful, I think this is called Art Nouveau, the style that this brooch is. I just love the green domed cabochon. It's just really nice. And the back definitely looks a little older, so I think this is vintage, if not a little even older than that. Super nice. Then we have this lion. I believe this is a little lion cub, a little baby with his green eyes. It's kind of a big one, a big brooch, and these are not rhinestones. This is just stamping into the metal, and no signature on the back. I wish I knew. He's really cute. Ooh. Okay, and this I also showed you on a video before, and this is marked Germany KNL on the back. There you go. And I don't believe that this is real gold, but one of you had commented on the previous video and said that this may be Connemara marble. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And that is a Irish marble, obviously in the color green, and our nice green shamrock here. So a really nice, sweet little pendant. And we have our bug. I'm going to say grasshopper, maybe? He's nice and green, beautiful square stones, emerald green, just beautiful shine on those. And then also the clear rhinestones on the body. And I believe this is a vintage style back. This just looks so nice to me. I don't know anything else about him, but if you know what kind of bug he is, let me know. And I appreciate it. And then the last thing that I've already shown on just a few videos that I've done is this beautiful bouquet of flowers with a little ribbon detail here. Just ridiculously beautiful with the 2-tone green rhinestones. And this one, nice bell, so you can wear this on a necklace out to the bar to have your green beer. Yeah. So those are all some items that we have already seen. And now I'll show you guys just some new items that I acquired. Some of these are from thrift stores. Some of these are from estate sales. Some of these are from auctions that I've won. And this is from an auction. This is just so cool. So there are 4 separate pieces here, and they're double strung on these silver. These are called shot beads, I think. And then this is more of like a snake chain, kind of like a liquid silver, if you will. Nice lobster claw clasp, so not too old here, but just the way this hits the light is awesome. Every way you look at it, it changes, the coloration and just what you see, and it's just super neat. And it's not, I don't think they're glass. I don't know. I really don't know what these are. I mean, they sound nice when they clink together, but I don't think they're glass. but they are very, very pretty. So we have that necklace. And we have this little cutie. We have this little frog. His legs are not broken. This is actually like the panther brooch that I have in my other previous video, the first video. This is an articulating pin. So the legs are meant to move around and give him, jewelry with some movement, and his little legs can do the happy dance. He's the frog that got away. And his cute little eyes are red, and he's got some rhinestone body detail. And also on his body, it's just all textured there. It's not sure if the camera's really picking that up, but it's just all completely like stamped. It's so nice. Yeah, he's really a cute little man. Yeah, cute little pin. Speaking of cuties, we also have this alligator. I think this is an alligator, or maybe it's a crocodile. Enamel work, gold tone. He's got some rhinestone head work up here and the big stone in the middle and some green eyes. And they even enameled inside his mouth here is painted. Let's get that in focus. And I apologize for the focusing issues. I am still new to YouTube and need to buy a real camera to do these videos on so they can be a little better. So I'm going to work with what I have here until I can afford that. So this guy, I think this is a Kenneth J. Lane. There is no mark on him that I could find. I wish I could find. But I did see this exact piece in a gold tone all the way through the body with the exact same head work. So I want to say this is a KJL. He's cute though. All right. Going on the cutie trend is our little turtle pin. So this one is kind of more like an olive green. Hard to see here. It doesn't even look green. And then this nice like matte gold tone, textured body and head, red eyes, and a little bit of stonework just on the head there. And this stone is it's really cool. It's translucent, yet it's green. And on the back here, if you can see, I think there was supposed to be a nameplate right there where that circle is. Because that's really doing nothing for the pin except being a circle. So I think there was a nameplate there that probably fell off over the years. I don't know. He's cute. Otherwise. All right. And we've got these earrings. We were in Florida and we went to this antique mall. It was a gigantic place, and I wish I had more hours to spend there. It was one of those places where you could look at some of the stuff, but then you also couldn't look at some of the things unless you had the lady come and unlock the cabinets for you and take things out piece by piece. And I think I was bothering her just a little bit because she didn't want to take out multiple items for me at the same time. So I was trying to buy things that were already set out so that I didn't have to bother her. So these were already set out, and these aren't coming across as pretty as they really are. These are kind of like a marbleized green, almost like a malachite color, like more of like a two-tone green with a little bit of yellow in them. And then this gold, and these are clip-ons, but they're also signed Crown Trifari. So that was a cool find. I just found them literally sitting in a bin of earrings, and I didn't have to ask for help. So that was nice. So there's those. And then we've got this bracelet. This is a stretch bracelet. There's always a end date on a stretch bracelet as far as life in the stretch. So this is still nice and wearable. I don't know. you could probably get away with it for a few more years, but that's good. Then you can replace it because you get to earn more jewelry as you go on. So this bracelet came actually in a jewelry jar, and I just love it. It's really pretty. Like the stones are so reflective, and they're almost actually an iridescent, like an opalized inside the green there. And then the pale yellow kind of cream color also. And they're faceted completely. You can kind of tell that there's definitely some design work in there, and they're just really nice. I mean, they catch the light, and this is Sparkle City. So I think there's some life left in this bracelet for sure. Right. Also, out of that same jewelry jar, I got this necklace, and I think these are glass beads. I think they're hand painted. I could be wrong, but they're very unique, and they're obviously like textured and bumpy and just very different. When I pulled this out of the jar, I was like, whoa, this kind of reminds me of Shrek. Just the color and the, like, I don't know, just like the way these look like kind of like eyeballs. I don't know. So I thought this was kind of cool, and obviously it's green. And so I decided to put this into the video for you guys to look at. Okay. And then this I got today. This is from an auction lot that I won, and this was included. It was, I think there was 9 pieces on the lot, and this was one of them. Nice and sparkly. Again, 2-tone green, and this is gold tone. Nice texture on it, even all the way down to like the bend in the stem here. Just super nice and very sparkly. No signature on the back here. I feel like it's pretty nicely put together. I wish it was open in the back, but I understand they need to let these sit in here somehow. But nice little leaf pin, and definitely nice for St. Patrick's Day, all the green. And then the last piece of green jewelry that we have are these earrings. These also came in a jewelry jar, and I'm pretty sure that these are the best find in the jewelry jar. Well, actually, maybe I found 2 pairs of earrings in that same jewelry jar that are pretty fantastic. So this is one of 2 pairs that are pretty fantastic. These are marked 925 silver, and they are testing on my gem tester as emeralds. Which is just absolutely amazing. So, I mean, when I do it on the gem tester, it can test between emerald and possibly a green garnet. So I think those are my 2 choices. But, I mean, look at them. Don't they look like emeralds? They really do to me. Nice little drop on these. They just are very, very beautiful. They are marked. On the dangle, you could see the 925 if I could get it to set in my hand just the right way. But they are marked 925, and they are definitely testing on the tester. They're just so pretty, dainty, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that is it for all the green jewelry. And then I do want to show you just 2 more pieces that I have that I'm jumping forward into Easter with. And the first one is Snoopy. And this is Snoopy holding an Easter basket, obviously full of Easter eggs. He is marked on the back. It is white on white here, so I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it very well. But it says 1958. 1966, and it's got some other identifying marks there for the maker. And then the pin is obviously just one of those, just hinge. This is a plastic of some kind, a lucite, something like this. And there was 2. And they weren't next to each other, but I was like, wait, is this Snoopy again? So, of course, you got to buy 2 if there's 2. So I have 2 of these little Snoopies. And the last piece that I have is the Easter Bunny. Again, this was bought at the antique mall. It was just, this place was amazing. Amazing. I just can't believe I didn't have more time there. Again, it was just great there. So, I mean, he looks old, right? He's just so neat with his sparkly blue eyes and his little Easter bunny, egg belly, and just the floppy ears and the whiskers. I don't know. I'm thinking he's pretty special. His nose is coming off of the face there as like a texture. It's not broken. I don't think it's coming across that way on the camera, but he's just cute. And on the back, okay, here's where, again, I'd love your help here. There's a giant S right on the bail. You'd think I would know who this is. I don't. I can't find any information about this giant S or this bunny. So if you have any information, I sound like Unsolved Mysteries here. If you have any information about this bunny or the maker of this bunny, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Or you can email me at purplerosecny@gmail.com. And everything is for sale that you see here in the video. Again, just email me, and shipping is $5. PayPal is accepted, and no international shipping at this time. I'm really appreciative that you've watched the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.